Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure Joycons have some charge and are detached. On your Mac, open System Settings and go to Bluetooth so you can watch devices appear. Next, find the small sync button on the Joycon rail and get ready to press it. Pressing that button puts the controller into pairing mode, which is how Mac OS discovers it. Once the LED flashes, you'll move straight into the pairing step without wasting time. Once done, press and hold the Joycon sync button until the LED blinks rapidly. That indicates pairing mode. On your Mac's Bluetooth list, look for Joycon L or Joycon R and click Connect. Pair each controller one at a time because Mac OS treats them as separate devices. If they don't appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then try again. You can also hold the sync button longer. This two-step pairing reduces errors and ensures each controller registers as an input device. Finish by confirming the Joycons show as connected in System Settings. Then open a controller tester or launch Steam Big Picture to confirm button and stick inputs. Make sure you assign left versus right correctly in any game or mapping tool. If a controller behaves oddly, the single most effective troubleshooting step is to unpair it. Restart your Mac's Bluetooth, toggle, or reboot, and put the Joycon back into sync mode to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.